Good afternoon, Mark Sutton with HurricaneTrack.com. It's 3 o'clock Eastern Time. I am in Georgetown, South Carolina. I want to give you an update on what's going on with Matthew. First of all, look at that eye right there coming out very clear. A central dense overcast donut around it. Very well defined, and it's just getting started. Moving into the Bahamas now, headed towards Andros Island over here. This is going to be a big problem for Andros and maybe Nassau and beyond as this approaches South Florida. Now I want to show you the latest Euro here from Levi Cowan's website, tropicaltidbits.com. There is Matthew down here. This is the initialization. And as I go through the forecast times here, watch what happens with Matthew. This is 24 hours out, fairly close to the Florida coast at that point in time, into the northwest Bahamas, raking them with more than likely Category 4 conditions. 48 hours on the coast, it looks like, near Daytona Beach. Probably a landfall in this model. Hard to tell at this resolution. At 72 hours, very close to Charleston, South Carolina. That is a little bit of a change, and it is fairly strong at that point. Finally, at 96 hours, as you can see, right off the coast of Cape Hatteras is a weakening hurricane. This would certainly brush the Carolinas with possible hurricane conditions, depending on how strong this actually gets. There's the loop once again. It kind of does a loop itself, and then out it goes. One more time, coming up out of the Bahamas, across the southeast. This is certainly not good news at all, obviously, and people need to be certainly ready for this in Florida and elsewhere. I've seen quite a few folks stocking up even here in Georgetown, South Carolina. Gas is still available, but they only have 87 octane, I noticed, for what it's worth. Anyway, I'll be stopping in Charleston in a little while to pick up a camera that I had left for Tropical Storm Julia down on the battery in Charleston. I think I'm going to put another one out there this afternoon, which should run for about 60 to 66 hours. Maybe enough time for the effects to get up here and we can see that at the battery. I'll keep you posted on that. All right, that's it from me for now. Mark Sutton with HurricaneTrack.com in Georgetown, South Carolina. Headed south towards Florida. I'll have more information for you later today.